guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about photo filters. First of all, you want to have a layer and then just click on this circle here and this time select the photo filter. Alright, so you have a layer here with the name photo filter 1 and it is with a camera here, right? So again, you can just click on the eye or maybe not. In the normal tab, again, you have some selections, but we are not going to deal with that right now. The thing that it's more important is this filter option, and again, you have some filters here. You can play with them a little bit, but I would prefer to make something by your own, okay? So I'm just going to click on color and then I'm going to select a color, and let's just say that I like this red one. Okay, I'm going to click on OK, and then I'm going to see the differences. In order to see the difference, you can click on this icon. If you keep clicking on it, you'll maybe see a difference. Okay, here the difference is very small. I'm going to have the density in a lot more, and now I think it's more visible. So again, just click on this icon, and now I'm pretty sure that you can see the difference. Let's change the color, and this time let's make it a green. Okay, this is quite ugly, but it's okay. It's just for you to learn. I'm going to have it like 91%, and this time I'm going to keep this button so you can see the difference, alright? But also there is a middle button here that you can go back one step. So I'm back to this filter, but I want to be in color, right? So I'm going here, and I'm going to select once again a green color and click on OK. Alright, then you have this option here with this eye, and now this eye is this eye here. So if you click on it, you can see the effect, like toggle layer visibility, or you can unclick on this. And then the delete button, I think that you know what it's going to do. It's going to delete the photo filter 1. So I'm just going to click no for now. Again, I would advise you to play with the filters or with the colors and create your own unique image. There is also one other ticked area here, which is called the preserve luminosity. I think that if you are a beginner, you should probably have it this on click. But if you want to do something more advanced, maybe you could play without taking the preserve luminosity. This will make your edges like something like harder, and I think that in this image this is not very visible. But yeah, keep that in mind, that if you're a beginner, probably you should better keep this on the preserve luminosity. Alright, and I think that's all for the photo filters. I hope you like this tutorial and stay tuned for the upcoming videos.